Which we do have a storm. Environment looks pretty good today. It's not like the best environment you've ever seen, but it's not bad. So we can work with it. Let's go. Current situation up in Hazleton, we have a tornado on the ground. Looks pretty intense. Like it's kind of a sidewinder, stovepipe looking thing. So let's head up north and check that out. In time. There it is, big time tornado. Okay, let's try and find a route to get to this thing. This thing's huge. It's pink TVS. This thing's strong. Man, this thing's moving it. Uh-oh. Here's an inside look from the TIV. Trying to get there before it, and I don't think we will. You can see all them sub-vortices in it. That tells us this thing is strong. Strong tornado. We're not gonna make it. Heavy rain now. Not looking good. Okay, it's kind of weakened out. I would like to at least get some interception out of this. We'll go check out some damage in Hazleton too, if we can. Truck sliding out. Getting a warning. New warning. It's kind of weakening out. As it heads to the east there. All those people intercepting this thing. I was trying to join them. You might switch to the Dominator so we can drop down faster, because these storms are just moving it today. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yeah, we're gonna switch the Dom after this. Here we go. Intercepting a tornado. So 100, 104. I think 104 is the highest I saw. So we'll be right back when this thing down south approaches. So we'll go check out Hazleton, I guess. Just head towards Hazleton. Look at that damage. I'm not sure if it hit downtown. We'll see though. I think we're gonna head a bit more west here. You can see the old tornado back there still on the ground. I don't know if it hit downtown here. We'll see. Oh, there's a new one back there. It's heading this way. So we'll switch the Dominator, and then we'll try and get an interception on it. So we're approaching the interception point. You can see there, that's our that lower area. Is that the tornado? If so, this thing's huge. Is that a... That could be a big one. Kind of want to go south a bit to get a better look on this thing. That thing is huge, Jack. Oh wow, it's Paint TVS. PDS warnings, head straight to Hazleton. Alright, we're getting the Dom 3. And we're eastbound and down. Eastbound and down, here we go. It's already pretty close. Let's go on the other side of town here. Let's try and... Man, this thing is not... I'm not a good driver. Let's try and get in the path of this thing. We can intercept it. I think right here looks good. Let's just park out right here. And then we'll wait. So let's try and pinpoint where this thing's gonna go. I think it might hit like southeastern Hazleton. More so than like central Hazleton. So that's interesting. It's gonna hit that farm. So do we park in the middle of Hazleton with debris flying at us? It's not a good idea, but let's do it. Why not? This is now my home. Thank you. I don't even fit in the driveway. Fantastic. It's mine now. Thank you. Why it's so dark in here? Do I have a flashlight? Man, you can't even see it. It shifted again. We're on the move. It's on the weakening trend. We probably should have intercepted it when it was big. But oh well. Ooh, that was close. I don't see it. That's the scary. That's kind of worrisome part. I don't see it. Unless that's it right there. I think that's it. That's like the edge. I think that's it. Right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I can a little bit. So I kind of want to park right about here. I want to see if that lines up. It looks like it does. But it's kind of weakened out, so you might not even have to deploy. Oh, it's big strong again. We might not have time to back up. Yep, we're just gonna deploy. Deploy. Come on now. Alright, we're deployed. We're gonna get the edge of it. Here we go. Intercepting the tornado. Multiple vortex. Whoa. Windshield's cracked. $170. EF4 strength. I saw 170. I think that's the highest it got. Big time tornado. We'll freeze it over the highest number, actually. Wow! Thing is big! Alright, let's get out of here. We made a bit of money. Alright, let's not hit these trees. Let's get out of here. Man. This thing is huge and big and angry. I'm debating if we go for another interception. I think we do. I think that's the play. And then we go for that new storm. Man, this thing is strong. Look at it. They're so fast, too. Oh, that's the hitting that farm. Wow. Power flashes. Alright, let's try and get in the path of this thing again. It might be weakening, but it is still a monster and a force to be reckoned with. Oh no. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Come on. Let's go. We're going to go 110 northbound. Ooh, we're gonna make it. We are. We're gonna have to pop down right in the road here. I want to head a bit more northwards. Right here. Facing these, we're gonna face these silos. Alright, deploy. Here we go. Big time hail. We're ready, roll up the windows. We're here. Oh, silos are getting ripped apart. 140. 160. So high end. Oh, 170. EF4 now. EF4 tornado remains on the ground. It's hitting us, doing damage. Wow. Look at all that debris. It hit us dead on this time. It's heading for the town of Medina. I'm debating, do we go for this one? Or do we go ahead and start heading towards that new storm? We're entering nighttime chasing territory. Which is my only concern. I don't think we're going to be able to keep up with this one anymore. But let's join the National Weather Service team. And let's just kind of survey this damage here. I'm going to say 150. Well, we confirmed 160, but it doesn't let us put it at that because of the damage indicator, so. Yeah. Saw everything fly apart right next to us, and we'll be right. We're going to fast forward to when we get to this new storm, when I stop running off the road also. And I might just do a bit of surveying for the fun of it at this farm here. So definitely some severe damage here at this farm. It's like EF3 level. Let's check on these houses. You can see the tornado in the distance there. Big, looks like EF3, high-end EF3, depends on how well this house was built. So I'd say about what, 167, so like, oh my gosh. 160 seems fair to me. Because that's pretty intense damage. Also, you can see that one, wow, it's a huge wedge. But door is about to get hit. Wow. That's gonna get wiped off the map. Let's put this like a bit lower, 155. That seems about right. Well, that's actually worse. Let's try 160. Really, it's not gonna let me do 165. Yeah, I feel like that one got hit worse than that one. So I feel like it should be higher winds, but I guess not. Alright, down south is now rotating. I just hit a tree. That definitely is not going to cause any damage. I'm probably going to get my interception vehicle here repaired. Because, yeah. Also, survey this real quickly. 155. Alright, let's go. So this tornado is actually down. I think I'm going to turn around. This thing's moving a lot faster than I thought it was. I think that's it right there. I think that's a tornado on the ground, folks. Heading back east. We're gunning it east. I don't know. I don't think we can make that southern option, but we can try to make it on this road, 22, Highway 22. I think that's the play to get in the path of this thing. It's about to hit the town of Elmore. It doesn't look super strong though right now, so we'll take the next right here. If I would stop running off the road, which I don't think I am going to just stop running off the road because I hit a stop sign. But somewhere back in there is a tornado. And all of that darkness here at nighttime. It's 10 p.m., so we're heading towards the end of this outbreak of the day. Take the left option. Tornado was confirmed on the ground right here. Alright, let's just see. Wish we had a view of this thing. Well, we're like right in the path, so I guess we can just wait, point the headlights in that direction, and wait. Maybe the lightning will illuminate it. I think this thing's getting closer. Yeah, it's like right there. I don't think we need to drop down for it, but it's like right about here, so we're gonna be in it. There's a warning. Got a tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for.
Whoa!
Medina County.
Yeah, it's gone to the west. Dang it. It's right over there. Repositioning. We're gonna head towards Jimmo. I don't think we're gonna make it though. When it hits 12, that'll be the end of week 1 of trying to get a 300 plus tornado in Twisted. Which it's about to do, so thank you all for tuning in today. It means a lot. We at least had one good tornado. So, thank you all for tuning in. And as the clock hits 12, we are done.